DCD Heavy Engineering is rated as the largest mechanical manufacturing concern in Africa and an expert in the production of engineered heavy mechanical equipment for the mining, steel and allied industries. A division business unit of the Mining and Energy Cluster of the DCD Group, Heavy Engineering was first established in 1946, initially to support the Escor, now ArcelorMittal Steelworks. It has leveraged over 6 decades of experience, skills, technology and machinery to establish itself as a respected global industry leader at the forefront of technology. With facilities in Vereeniging and Vanderbijl Park, 65 kilometers south of Johannesburg, Heavy Engineering today boasts over 75,000 square meters of unique world-class facilities that manufacture to the highest international standards and accreditations. Heavy Engineering has a well-deserved reputation for precision and exceptional quality. Its high-level machine muscle and a dedicated and skilled workforce have resulted in a production line that boasts an array of outstanding products, including many world firsts. Its services range from engineering jobbing and refurbishing of capital equipment to multi-million rand projects, and up to 90% of components are made for export. Some product highlights include the manufacture of the largest shell-supported SAG mill in the world for German company Policius, international mill manufacture, dragline manufacture, and valve blocks, storage vessels and a core unloading device for the Pebblebed modular reactor for Westinghouse Nuclear. Heavy Engineering's World Best Practices policy with regard to manufacturing, project management and performance levels has entrenched it as a leader in the heavy engineering industry and a partner of choice. It operates across a broad span of industries, but in particular in the mining and energy industry, where precision and detail go hand in hand with heavy engineering. The company also produces highly engineered products for specific applications in the materials handling, metallurgical and petrochemical industries. In the mining industry, Heavy Engineering has positioned itself as a global industry leader and has established worldwide alliances with OEM companies. It is an industry leader in the manufacture of winder drums, sag and ball mills, gyratory crusher components, drum reclaimers and kilns, and is the preferred supplier of grinding mills to many global clients. Its mining product portfolio includes the production of quality crushers with full assembly and cold commissioning, converters, scrubbers, winders, coolers, materials handling and dragline components. It also manufactures cement kilns and associated equipment, mill bearings, fabricated gears, mill heads and trunnions, and shovel components. In addition to new product manufacturing, Heavy Engineering also offers a refurbishment and reconditioning service. In the energy industry, Heavy Engineering has manufactured many of the components for the majority of South Africa's coal-fired power stations, and it was the first South African company to register at Lloyd's for the manufacture of Class 1 pressure vessels. The company undertakes work for clients in the coal, hydro, nuclear and wind energy sectors, and its manufacturing processes are based on international standards and world best practices. For further information, please contact DCD Heavy Engineering on +27 16 428 0000 or visit the website at www.dcd.co.za.